Hello friends, today we are going to study circle. This fantastic topic you have already studied in school geometry also. Now but we are going to study this using two-dimensional geometry. The basic definition of circle is known to us. If I consider all points in a plane which are at a fixed distance, say R, from a fixed point, say C. All these moving points are P, and the distance CP remains constant, say this distance CP equal to R, then all these points P will form a locus is known as circle. We are interested in finding the equation of circle in different forms. Initially, let us assume that this point is the origin and the radius is suppose A units. So this OP becomes A. If PXY is any point on the circle, then by distance formula I can write here OP square is equal to A square. By distance formula, I get x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square is equal to A square. That is x square plus y square equal to A square. This is called standard equation of circle. Standard equation of circle is that circle whose center is origin, and here the radius we have taken as A, and whose equation is given by x square plus y square equal to A square, which is a second degree equation in x and y. Here special case is being considered that the center of this circle is taken as the origin. But if you shift the origin to the some point, say HK, then I may have this kind of figure. This is my circle. CHK is the center and PXY is any point on the circle. If the distance CP is R, therefore CP square is equal to R square. Therefore by distance formula I get x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. Everybody knows the distance between the 2 points is given by the difference between the x coordinates of the points bracket square. Difference between the y coordinates of the points bracket square is equal to this r square. Now this is the equation of circle which is in center radius form. Which is in center radius form. So basically we have x square plus y square equal to A square as a standard circle, and when the origin, the center of the circle, when shifted to the point CHK, then this equation will reduce to what? This equation, x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. So simply this equation can be obtained from this equation by subtracting h and k from x and y. So this is called center radius form. Here hk are the coordinates of the center and r is the radius of the circle. Now let us expand x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square is equal to r square. So we'll get x square minus 2hx plus h square plus y square minus 2ky plus this k square is equal to r square. Let us rewrite this equation as x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus r square is equal to 0. This equation is written now initially x square, then y square, then the term in x, then the term in y, then all constants together is equal to 0. I want to write this equation in some general form. Let me call this minus 2h is equal to 2g. Minus 2k is equal to 2f. And this constant h square plus k square minus r square is some constant c. With the help of this substitution, I get h is equal to minus g by cancelling this 2 on both sides. Similarly, k becomes minus f, and if I replace h and k in this equation, I get g square plus f square minus r square equal to c. So, I get r square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Therefore, r is either plus or minus square root of g square plus f square minus c, but r is the radius. Therefore, I should take positive root of g square plus f square minus c. So, with the help of these substitutions, the above equation of circle, which was in center radius form, is now becoming x square plus y square minus 2h is 2g, so 2gx. Similarly, minus 2k is 2f, so plus 2fy plus this whole constant I am calling c is equal to 0. So, this new equation is called the equation of circle in a general form, or it is also called general equation of circle. So, you must remember that the general equation of circle is given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now, this is a circle. When we talk about circle, we must know the two things. One is the center and other is the radius of that circle. So, let us find out the center of this circle. This has obtained from this. This equation has obtained from this. Now, the center of this circle is hk, but h is minus g and k is minus f. Therefore, center of this circle is given by c minus g minus f, and whose radius already we have calculated r equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. This is a general second degree equation x and y. It is of the form something ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. We know that this is called a general second degree equation in x and y. Now, if you compare the equation of circle with this equation, so this equation will represent a circle provided the following three conditions are satisfied. Here, A and B, 1 and 1, same. XY term is present here, XY term is absent over here. So, in order to represent this as a circle, I must have h is equal to 0, so that the term in XY will be absent. Otherwise, A and B are same, h is 0, then this equation is exactly of this form, hence this would represent a circle. Of course, provided in pair of lines, we have seen that whenever discriminant delta is not equal to 0, along with that A is equal to B and H is equal to 0, this equation will represent what? A circle. Because whenever delta is equal to 0, this equation represents a pair of lines. समझ गए? बघूया कसं झालं पण. Just now we have seen that ax square plus 2xy plus by square plus 2gx plus fy plus c is equal to 0. This second degree equation in x and y would represent a pair of lines if delta is equal to abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is not equal to 0, a is equal to b and not equal to 0, and h is equal to 0. Now, this is the general equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, whose center is c minus g minus f, and radius is root of square of this g minus g, square of this minus f, and this c is being subtracted from this sum. Now, because the fact g square plus f square minus c, this term is caught inside the root, it is necessary that in order to get this equation as real equation of circle, it is necessary that g square plus f square minus c must be positive. So if g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, then this equation will represent a real circle. If g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, you will have radius of this circle equal to 0. So all these points on the circle will all converge to one point, which is the center of the circle. Hence, that circle is called point circle. So point circle is that circle whose radius is 0. Similarly, if g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, then this quantity r would be imaginary, hence this circle would be called imaginary circle. So we can put this equation of circle in three categories. One, real circle if g square plus f square minus c is positive. Point circle if g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0. And imaginary circle if g square plus f square minus c less than 0. Notice that from the equation of circle, how to obtain the center and radius immediately, the idea is whenever the coefficients of x square and y square is unity, means 1, then we directly divide coefficients of x and y by minus 2 in order to get the center. So 2g divided by minus 2 is minus g. 2f divided by minus 2 is minus f. This way the center is obtained. Square this, add this, and subtract c from this and put inside the positive root what you are getting, the radius of the circle.